Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be reacting to this video that you guys been suggesting. Not a lot of you, actually a few of you been suggesting me to react to this, so why not? First of all, when I saw that I was like I was just like okay. So today we're reacting to this one, and also if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because girl, I am almost to 300,000 subscribers, and I'm just like wait, what? I'm like shook, and my bone can't even function. So today we're reacting to this one. I haven't seen this. I don't know. I mean, the title said it, but I don't know what it is mostly about. It's mostly called the Christian Azan. 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 I think that's it. Versus the Muslim Azan. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but anyway, let's get into the video. This is like 3 minutes, so I'm not really sure how this is gonna go. So let's just get into the video. Hold on. Let me look, what is this called? Let me see the description. This boy have no description. Is this I don't know. Let's just watch it because I have no idea. But anyway, let's get into the video. 1, 2, 3, go. This is the Christian way of calling people to worship. Oh, that is interesting. I want to do that. Keep pulling the string. Now listen to the Muslim way of calling people to prayer. Oh. Okay.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله حي على حي على حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر
Oh my god. Okay. That guy, the way, oh my god, the ending, like the ending, that got me goosebump. Okay, so basically, this video is comparing about how Christian and, I'm not Catholic, Christian and Muslim, how they call people to come pray with them. And you know, Christian is usually the bell, which is, you know, I never, I mean, I never knew that that was the calling thing for Christian, so I was just like, oh, okay. But oh my god, Muslim thing calling is just what? I can't say like what the heck? Like, girl, I'm shook. Like the voice, like it's so, and the video, even the video, like the video while he was playing, the video is just like, I just can't. Like, what the heck? That blew my mind. Like, we can literally see the difference. I respect both. I literally respect all religion. I don't care what type of religion you are. Like, you could be literally worshiping a rock. I could care less. Like, just respect me and I'll respect you. You know, like kind of thing like that. But oh my god, that blew me away. I mean, oh gosh, that, especially the ending, that literally gave me a goosebump. And his voice, and he looks so hot, by the way. Like, I was staring at his beard, and his soul was coming into my heart, girl. Like, I couldn't. Like, oh girl, I know now why you guys suggested me to react to this, because that was a great video. But anyway, thanks for watching. I respect everyone, honestly. I respect Muslim, I respect Christian, I respect Buddhism, Hinduism, Judaism. I respect all of them. I respect people. I respect, you know, if you respect, I can't even say it. If you respect me, I'll respect you. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video. I love you guys so much. And please don't forget to subscribe and help me hit 300,000 subscribers. That would be like amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god, that would be amazing. But anyway, guys, peace out. Don't forget to turn on notification, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to comment down below or email me video suggestions. So bye.